Alright, this is Eric with Bowman Plumbing Services. We are located here doing a sewer inspection, and the purpose of this inspection is to identify the condition of the pipe. The address here is 1264 South Bedford. Today is the 5th of May 2017. Again, we are going to do a sewer inspection here and identify the condition of the pipe. We did hydrojet this sewer line on the 3rd of May. The line was completely blocked upon the original visit, which means that we could not access the sewer line with a camera. So we performed a jetting for about 2 hours, which cut and removed the roots to allow us to get to the city connection. So at 61 feet here, we're located at the city sewer connection. That is the city line. I'm going to go ahead and pull back, and this is a VCP pipe, which is vitrified clay pipe. And this will allow us to observe the sewer line as we pull out. As you can see, there are roots that were cut. Those still just need to be pushed out. We are located underneath Bedford, the actual street surface. Now, VCP pipe, the vitrified clay pipe, is known to be brittle. It does crack and break, and when it does offset or shift like this, this is when we start to see the roots intrude. So we want to identify these areas like this one here, which is a shift. It's the beginning stage of an issue. And you can see they're a little bit larger, and that's where you see the roots prying in the top. Now this offset is large. This is about a 1-inch offset, and this is an issue that is located again under Bedford. Now the good thing about this line, even though there are offsets in the 6-inch underneath the street side, is that this can be sleeved with a stint, just an epoxy fiberglass stint. Okay, so now we're going to pull back. Now we're at the property line. This is basically right here at the sidewalk as we're pulling back towards the house, and it goes from 6-inch to 4-inch, and you can see here there is a crack, break, and root. That pipe is actually broken there. And those roots were intruding and blocking the entire line before we hydrojetted. As well as the break, there's actually a hole in the pipe to the top there where those roots were aggressively breaking in. And you can see on the bottom of the camera, or to the left, there's actually a broken pipe there as well. Again, this is located on the property. As we pull back here in the 4-inch VCP pipe, vitrified clay pipe on the property, and continue to observe the condition of the pipe and the sewer line. You see another area there where the roots are aggressively growing. This was blocked, but since has been hydrojetted. And another one there at 14 feet. And another one there at 8 feet. Those roots that were intruding. Again, each one of these joints where there are roots were completely 100% blocked. Now we're down to a cast iron pipe. This is the original cast iron pipe. There are roots in there as well. It just indicates that that metal pipe is worn to a state where it's no longer serving its purpose. And we're pulling back to the clean out here. I'll pull the camera head out. Again, this line has been hydrojetted. What we're observing is the sewer line does exit, and this is the front of the property. There's a gate here. The sewer line exits directly underneath this large tree, makes its way all the way underneath the street, and then goes laterally underground in 6-inch to the city sewer line. My recommendations at this point in time, because of the cracks, breaks, and heavy root intrusions, are to use an epoxy fiberglass sleeve on the section that's broken, root intruded, and offset in 6-inch underneath the street. And on the property line, use a trenchless pipe burst, which is a method to trenchlessly dig 2 holes, 1 hole at the property line and 1 hole here at the cleanout to repair it. Again, this is going to end the recording session. Eric with Bowman Plumbing Services.